Welcome to SpeakFlow English. Learn, practice, and succeed.
Good morning. It is very hot today.
Good morning. Yes, it is really hot. I feel very warm.
Me too. I don't want to stay at home all day.
What can we do?
We can go swimming.
That sounds great. Do you want to go to the swimming pool?
Yes, or we can go to the beach.
The beach sounds nice. I want to swim in the sea.
Me too, but the swimming pool is closer.
How far is the swimming pool?
It is about 15 minutes from here.
That is not far. What about the beach?
The beach is about 1 hour away.
The beach is far, but it is very beautiful.
Yes, but today is very hot. I don't want to sit in a hot car for 1 hour.
You are right. Let's go to the swimming pool today.
Good idea. We can go to the beach another day.
Okay, what do we need to take?
We need our swimsuits.
Of course. I also need a towel.
Me too. Don't forget your sunglasses.
I have my sunglasses here.
Great. Do you have sunscreen?
Yes, I have sunscreen.
Good. We need to use it because the sun is very strong today.
Yes, I don't want to get sunburned.
Me neither. Do you want to take some water?
Yes, definitely. It is important to drink water on a hot day.
I have 2 bottles of cold water.
Perfect. Do you want to take some fruit too?
Yes. We can take apples and bananas.
That is true. Swimming makes me hungry.
Really? We haven't even gone swimming yet.
I know, but I am ready for lunch.
Okay, let's take some sandwiches too.
Great. What kind of sandwiches do you want?
I want a cheese sandwich.
I want a chicken sandwich.
Okay, I will make the sandwiches.
Thank you. I will put the towels and water in the bag.
Don't forget your swimming goggles.
Oh, yes, I want to swim underwater.
Are you good at swimming?
I can swim, but I am not a professional swimmer.
That's okay. I am not a professional either.
Can you swim fast?
A little. Can you swim fast?
I think I can swim faster than you.
Really? Are you sure?
Yes, I am very sure.
Then we can have a swimming race.
Great, you are going to lose.
We will see about that.
Okay, it is a challenge.
But first, we need to get ready.
What are you going to wear?
I am going to wear my blue swimsuit.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I am going to wear my black swimming shorts.
Okay. Are you ready to leave?
Almost. I need to find my phone.
Where did you put it?
I don't know. I had it a few minutes ago.
Look on the table.
It is not there.
Look in your bag.
Wait. Oh, here it is.
Great. Now we are ready.
Let's go.
Wait. Do you have the sunscreen?
Yes, I have it.
And the towels?
Yes.
Water?
Yes.
Food?
Yes.
Swimming goggles?
Yes.
Good. Now we can go.
I am so excited.
Me too. I really want to swim.
I hope the water is not too cold.
I think the water will be perfect.
When was the last time you went swimming?
Last summer.
Really? That was a long time ago.
Yes, I was very busy this year.
I understand. I also want to swim more often.
Swimming is a great way to relax.
Yes, and it is also good exercise.
Exactly.
Look, the swimming pool is over there.
We are here.
The water looks so nice.
I want to jump into the water now.
Wait, we need to put on sunscreen first.
Oh, right. I almost forgot.
We should also drink some water.
Good idea.
Are you ready now?
Yes, I am ready.
Let's go into the water.
Wait a minute.
What happened?
The water is colder than I thought.
Don't worry, you will get used to it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, the water is actually very nice.
I told you.
Let's swim to the other side.
Okay. Ready for the race?
Always ready.
On your marks, get set, go.
I am swimming very fast.
Wait for me.
Come on, you can do it.
I am coming.
I think I won.
Maybe. Let's have another race.
Another one?
Yes, I want a second chance.
Okay, but this time I will swim even faster.
We will see.
I am tired now.
Me too. Let's rest for a few minutes.
I want to sit in the sun.
Don't stay in the sun for too long.
Why?
Because it is very hot today.
You are right. Let's sit under the umbrella.
Good idea.
I am thirsty.
Here is your water.
Thank you.
Do you want a sandwich?
Yes, please. I am very hungry now.
I told you swimming makes you hungry.
You were right.
Do you still want to go to the beach another day?
Yes, definitely.
Maybe we can go next weekend.
That would be great.
We can swim in the sea and play on the beach.
We can also walk near the water.
And watch the sunset.
That sounds perfect.
But today, the swimming pool is perfect too.
Yes, I am happy we came here.
Me too.
It is still very hot outside.
Yes, but now I feel much better.
Me too. Swimming was a great idea.
Thank you for coming with me.
Thank you for inviting me.
Are you ready to go home?
Not yet.
Why not?
I want to swim one more time.
One more time?
Yes, just one more time.
Okay, but after that, we're going home.
Deal.
Come on, let's go!
Wait for me.
Hurry up!
I am coming.